Today's top tip is for when you've actually run out of icing sugar, and you can make your own out of some granulated sugar. Hi, welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday, full of top tips and tricks to help make cake decorating a little bit easier. Today's top tip is for when you've actually run out of icing sugar, and you can make your own out of some granulated sugar. Let's get 2 minutes on the clock. And so here we've got some ordinary granulated sugar, and we've got a coffee grinder or spice grinder. All we're going to do is pour some of the granulated sugar into the coffee grinder. Don't need to sieve it, and pop the lid on, and then all what you're going to do is then grind it down, and you can see it's starting to change into powder. Give it a little bit of a shake just to make sure that you're getting all the bits of granulated sugar ground down into your icing sugar, or some people call it powdered sugar. And there we go. And just pour it into your bowl, and there you go, icing sugar. So as you can see, that's the granulated sugar, and not even a minute later, and then you've got lovely powdered icing sugar. Hope you've enjoyed this week's top tip. Please join us next week for lots more top tips and tricks to help make cake decorating a little bit easier. I'm Lee from Cake Craft City. Until next time, bye bye.